Hello gents, this is the next video that you need to do prior to Tuesday's lesson. It's a really short one to go in line with the test. It's just to prepare yourselves for the content that we're going to cover. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already done so, is you need to pause the video and ensure you've done this 6-mark question. And if there was any notes left over from your book being marked, you need to update them. So if there's a bit saying that you need to complete question 2 or 3, you need to do that. If you've got any of your note taking wrong, because some of you got the aesthetics note question wrong, so you need to have another go at that and just make sure all that's updated before next lesson. So you need to pause the video and do that, please. Okay, we are also needing to make sure one of the things we do is our sporting examples are right. Okay, some of you seem to be picking hard sporting examples when there's really easy ones. So if you're looking at a physical reason for someone taking part in physical activity, just pick weight loss or something along them lines, because it's the easiest thing to write about. Some of you are trying to find, I don't know if you're finding a difficult one or trying to find one that'll sound good, just pick an easy one. So have another go at just picking one simple example and just writing a little sentence after it again, please. So again, just pause the video at this section, just do a little subheading of reasons for taking part at the bottom, and then just do one good example underneath each one with a sporting example. Okay, so we are moving on to influences of a healthy active lifestyle, so you need to put a new head on a new page. Okay, you need to just jot down some ideas of what you think are key influences on participation in sport and physical activity. That you can list them as both being positive and negative. Some of them will come under both of them. Okay, so what are the reasons for your participation? Alright, so why have you chosen GCCPE? Why do you participate in rugby, football, boxing, things like that outside of school? And what other reasons are there for people to participate in sport? Why might some people join a sporting team? Why might some people go to the gym? Why might some people take up tennis? Okay, so you need to list them down. Again, pause the video and just get as many things as you can prior to the next lesson. And the final thing that you won't need to consider, okay, this is the last bit of the homework, what opportunities or roles may become available to a participant who maintains or takes up a healthy active lifestyle. Alright, so what jobs might occur? What opportunities might occur for people who are healthy and active, okay, that might not come available to those people who don't take part in sport, who don't lead healthy active lifestyles, okay, and what qualities would you need to be successful at this? All right, I'd like you to take more focus on this bit, the influences section, and I want you to start considering this and just jotting 1 or 2 things down that you can think of, okay, so more focus on this, a couple of ideas for this one. Okay, you need to also make sure you've done the short quiz that is on Edmodo. It's 5 questions long and it's just to check your understanding from the previous lesson. Okay, that's everything, gents. I shall see you on Tuesday morning.